Let's watch a sitcom or something.
No! They're calling it the airborne toxic event.
It won't come this way.
Will we have to leave our home?
Of course not.
How do you know?
I just know.
Okay, what if it's dangerous?
Evacuate all places of residence.
We have a situation.
Train derailment and massive fire. Some of the cars were carrying hazardous chemicals.
Tonight, the state of emergency extended in Palestine, Ohio, after this disastrous train derailment. Multiple explosions causing massive fires lighting up the night sky, burning for hours Saturday. More than 24 hours later, residents are still being asked to evacuate and shelter in place within a 1-mile radius of the crash.